Dear students, in this video, I'm going to explain the concept charts in Excel. And in this lesson, we are going to learn about creating charts. Second, change chart style. Third, change chart type. And fourth one, move chart. So these four concepts we are going to learn today. Creating charts, change chart style, change chart type, and move chart. Okay, so let's we discuss first one, creating charts. So for creating charts, I have opened Excel file. In that Excel file, I have taken roll number, name, sections, and here I have taken few subjects and the total and its marks. So in this manner, you can create an Excel file. Based on this Excel data, if you want to create a charts, you must go to the insert tab. Under the insert tab, you can able to see here there are different types of charts. Under charts group, you can click on the any one of the chart and it shows that a list of models. Before going to select any one of the chart, you must select the data. You must select the data. So here you can see under the charts group, there are different types of charts. When you place the mouse pointer on the chart, it shows that what is the name of that chart. Here, column chart, bar chart, surface or radar chart, line chart, area chart, pie chart, definite chart. There are many multiple types of charts are available here. Whichever the chart you want to insert, you can click on that chart and you can select from the list of charts. Then automatically the chart will be inserted as per the given data. Then the second method is on the keyboard, you can press F11 key. When you press F11 key, automatically the chart will be inserted in the another sheet. You can see the downside, there will be a sheet 1. This is our data. And when I press F11 key on keyboard, the chart will be inserted in another sheet. So there will be a two methods to creating charts. One is by going through the insert menu, there will be a charts group. Under this charts group, there are multiple charts. Whatever the chart you want to insert, you can select the chart and it displays the list of models. You can select whichever the model you like, then the chart will be inserted. And the second one is by pressing F11 key on keyboard, you can insert chart. Yeah, so I'm deleting this chart. Right. So as per the concepts, the second one is change chart style. How to change chart style? So let's we discuss about the second topic, change chart style. So here, whenever you want to insert chart, don't forget to select the data. Select the data and select the chart, whichever you feel like. If you feel good, then you can click on that, then the chart will be inserted. And if you see, when I click outside, I cannot able to find the design tab. If you want to select the design tab, you must click on the chart. When you click on the chart, then only the design tab and the format tab will be displayed. Once again, you can check. I'm just clicking outside, then you can find there is no design tab. So you must click on the design. You must, if you want to get the design tab, you must click on the chart. When you click on the chart, you will get the design tab. So under the design tab, you can see there are chart styles. So here there is a more button. If you click more button, you can able to see there are multiple styles of the charts. You can see when I place the mouse pointer, automatically the changes happening on the chart. So in this manner, whichever the style you feel good, then you can select that style, then that will be appear on the chart. Okay. So then the Another concept is change chart type. Change chart type. So let's we see that change chart type. So if you feel that this is a column chart, and if you want to change your uh, column chart into bar chart or pie chart or any other chart, so under the design tab, there you can find change chart type. You click on the change chart type, then a change chart type dialog box appear, and on this left side pane you can see column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart. Whatever the chart you want to insert, you can click on that chart from the left pane, and you can select. For example, if you want to insert line chart, you can click on the line chart, then it shows that some of the examples, whichever the example you want to select, you can select, and it shows that there are some styles of the line chart. So you can select whichever the style you feel good. You can click on that and click OK. Then automatically your chart will be changed. So even if you want to change again the same pattern, change chart type, then change chart type dialog box will appear. If you want to insert bar chart, you can select bar chart, and here there are some examples given, the models, you can select from that, and it shows the some examples again under the models. You can select one and click OK. Then automatically that chart will be changed. So in this manner, you can able to change your chart type also. Then the another concept is move chart. So how can we move chart from one sheet to another sheet? So let's we discuss that move chart. See here, there is a chart in the sheet 1. You can find here at the bottom left side, sheet 1. So under the same design tab, you can see there is a move chart option. If you click move chart option, a small dialog box appear, that is move chart dialog box. So on this move chart dialog box, you can see our object is in sheet 1, and here new sheet. So if you want to move your chart to any other sheet, you can mention here. For example, here I'm mentioning students marks. So enter the new sheet name, students marks example, click OK. Then automatically the chart will be moved to the another sheet. You can see the bottom left side, student marks. The chart is moved to the students marks. Here let's we check whether this chart is available in sheet 1 or not. Click on sheet 1. You can see there is no chart in the sheet 1. It is moved to the another sheet. The sheet name is students marks. Again, if you want to move this chart to the sheet 1, same, click on the move chart. Where is that option move chart? Under the design tab. So click on the move chart, and again, if you want to bring it back to the sheet 1, select this object in and click OK. Then you can see automatically the chart is moved to the sheet 1, and bottom left side you can see there is a no students marks sheet. So in this manner, you can able to move the chart from one sheet to another sheet. So hope you have understood the concepts. The first one is creating charts. Second one is change chart style. And third one is change chart type. And fourth one is move chart. So if you observe under the creating charts, we applied two methods. One is press F11 key, and here I'll mention method. This is first method, and the second method is go to the insert menu, insert tab, then charts group. Okay, so these are the two methods. And change chart style. Change chart style. If you want to change the chart style, you have to go to the design tab. Under the design tab, there is a chart style. Then change chart type. For changing chart type, the same, go to the design tab. Under the design tab, you can able to find that there is a change chart type option. and move chart. Even move chart is also there in the design tab, and the option name is move chart. So you can find that change chart style, change chart type, and move chart. These three options are there under design tab only. You can check over here under the design tab only, change chart styles, change chart type, and move chart. Right. So hope you have understood these four concepts. Thank you.